The warm weather is finally here, and it's a great time to sit outside. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I built this patio bench. I start out by cutting my armrest and the legs and the side rails for the bench so I can connect them together. This project will be made out of 2x4s and 1x6s. I like to cut 2 pieces at a time so they're the exact same size. And to keep this super simple, I'll just be building this whole thing with pocket holes. But I am using exterior grade pocket hole screws. And with this being an outdoor project, I'm using Titebond 3 because it's more of a water resistant wood glue. I like to clamp it down to hold it in place while I tighten down the screws. It helps keep your board from moving. Now with the leg and armrest completed, now I'll connect them together with our 2 seat frame rails using glue and pocket hole screws. It is nice having a little helper to help you clamp up these longer pieces. With the frame completed, I'll measure for the seat slat supports. Now for my backrest, I'll cut at a 15-degree angle just so it's more comfortable to sit in. Even though these boards are cut at a 15-degree angle, we can still drill pocket holes in them. You just want to make sure your board is flat against your jig on the bottom. I'll clamp my backrest to the armrest and then I'll screw it down to the seat frame. And I'll repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Plus I like to put a screw in the armrest to give it extra support. I'll clamp this piece of scrap to the backrest so I can clamp my middle backrest support to keep everything aligned. I'll add another clamp on the top and bottom to keep it from shifting when I put the screws in. And again, I will measure to make sure the middle backrest support is directly in the middle. And then I will add my screws. And now that my frame is assembled, I'll cut out my seat slat. First slat down to hold it in place while I put the screws in. And I use spack screws because they don't require any pre-drilling. And then I'll add an inch spacer and add my second slat. And now it's time to do some sanding. With the Wagner paint sprayer, I will be applying on a natural cedar finish. I like to spray the bottom first and then I'll flip it over and I'll spray the top. And that's how I built this patio bench. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.